Hi guys, this is Shayna from YumiYarns.com. I have a quick little tip for you guys. This is the Brain Space shawl. It's a triangular shawl and it has this nice line of increases. They're 1 into 3 increases where you knit one, yarn over, knit one, all into the same stitch. So you end up adding 2 stitches in one nice little motion there, and it creates this nice little line of kind of eyelets along the middle there. Just kind of looks like yarn overs more than anything. But this technique that I'm going to show you today works with other patterns too. Basically, I'm going to show you how I mark where my center stitch is. So it's a lot easier to just knit along happily knowing that you're not going to get a janky looking line. So I've taken my marker off just so it wasn't confusing at the beginning. Normally I would have my marker right there and I would knit all the way up to my marker because if you look, this is my center stitch, and I can tell because if you look here, you can see one stitch coming off here, one in the middle, and then another stitch coming off on this side. So I know that is my center stitch because 1 into 3 increase means you start with 1 stitch and you increase it to 3 stitches. And so what I do to keep from getting myself confused while I knit, I have my marker, knit up right up to it, I take it off, I knit the first part of the stitch, so that first knit, because this one I'm doing the knit, yarn over knit into that same stitch, remember? So I just do the knit, I put my marker on, yarn over, and then knit the stitch. So I've got 3 stitches into that 1 stitch, and I pull it off, and there my stitches are marked and ready to go. Because see, that center one is right after my stitch marker. So now when I go through on the next pass, when I'm coming along to do my increases, I'll hit that marker before I hit my increase stitch. So I know I need to just slip the marker off for a second, start my increase, slip it back on, finish my increase, and keep on going. Hopefully that helps. If you're interested in the pattern, it's again Brain Space by Yumi Yarns, me, Shayna. And the yarn I'm using is from Alive with Purpose Craft. She's got 2 different colorways here that I'm using, and it's a really fun project, and I love her bright colors. So give it a try. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, my website is YumiYarns.com. Have fun and happy knitting.